Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually doing this video in collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Love Meg on YouTube, and I will link her video below. But basically, I just love her channel. She is a mom, and I'm a soon-to-be mom, so I relate a lot to her. She does a lot of different cleaning routine videos. She has so many good cleaning tips that I need to take note on since I'm a newlywed. And she also is a stay-at-home mom, so I just love watching her content. So definitely check her out and check out her video. We're basically doing our own interpretation of how we clean our house/apartments fast. So you guys know I live in a pretty small apartment, and it is easy to clean it fast if I have it under control, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm in my third trimester. I am 32 weeks, I believe, along, and it's just so hard for me to pick things up off the floor or even just vacuum, so I have Doug helping me a lot in this video. So after watching a ton of different cleaning routine videos throughout the past few months on YouTube, I realized something that we actually do but we didn't know, and it's called zone cleaning. And you guys will know if you watch other people's cleaning routines, but I believe Megan does it on her channel as well. And it's basically where you start room by room and completely clean an entire room first. And I think this is such a helpful trick when you're trying to clean your house fast, because it just really helps you narrow your focus down and it doesn't overwhelm you, so you can basically start with a small task first. So Doug and I are starting in our bedroom, or basically just making our bed. And like I said at the beginning, it's definitely not a deep cleaning routine, so this is just basically what people see. And it's an actual depiction this time of how we actually clean fast, because we have people coming over right after this video. So we woke up early to make sure our house looks decent. So we're basically just cleaning off all the surfaces, making sure all the dust is away, and picking up any dirty clothes and putting them in the hamper. So now that our bedroom is done, I'm not going to be cleaning the floors. Well, I'll be cleaning the kitchen floor, but not vacuuming per se, just because I did it a few days ago. And also, we truly do not have time in this video to vacuum since our guests are coming over in a few hours and we still have to get ready. So after that is all done, we're going to move on to the living room. And our living room is such a mess. Usually when I do any kind of cleaning video, my apartment isn't this messy, and it actually looks like we have a small child because there's like a playmat there. But that is just something we built because we're getting ready for our baby that is due in December, so ignore that. And we're actually just picking up all of the stuff that's been left behind. I've been so busy throughout the past few weeks planning our baby shower and just being pregnant in general. I have no time to clean or energy, so we're making sure to pick everything up and basically just clean off all the surfaces. So now that we're done with the living room, we're going to move on to the kitchen zone. So this is something I for sure need help with because I get so overwhelmed with the amount of dishes 2 people accumulate. I can't even imagine having dishes for a whole family, and I honestly think that's because we don't have a dishwasher, which I seriously don't even remember what it's like to have a dishwasher because I've been hand washing my dishes for the past 2 years in this apartment. And that's just the thing. We live in Los Angeles, so a lot of the buildings are older, so that doesn't necessarily mean they come with dishwashers, which is unfortunate. So that just makes me having a dishwasher one day when I own my own home or possibly get another apartment the most glorious day in the world, and I will be so happy. But until then, I've gotten pretty used to it. So after we're done cleaning all the dishes and putting them away, we like to wipe down all the surfaces just to make sure any of the food or previous leftover stuff is not visible for guests. And then we're gonna take apart our dining room table because this is basically a catch-all since we live in such a small area. We end up just putting a bunch of our crap there throughout the week, and it's not good. So yeah, we're just taking this apart and wiping this down, and then we're gonna start on our floors. And then we're going to finish the rest of our dining room. This is our bar cart. I feel like I talk about it in every cleaning routine video, but this is another catch-all place. I mean, we're just become really messy people ever since I've been pregnant. It's so bad. So we're just clearing this off and making sure everything looks put together and clean. And this is when Doug takes a cookie from all the cookies I made yesterday, and it's 10 a.m., so I don't know what he's doing. But after we're done with that, we start on our bathrooms, which is definitely something that I am embarrassed by far the most if they are messy and guests come over. I hate going into people's bathroom. I mean, I don't hate it, but it is not very pleasant going into someone's bathroom and there being hair everywhere or just gross stuff. So I make sure to really clean both of our bathrooms pretty thoroughly. And we're starting with Doug's bathroom. And since we don't share a bathroom, this can be a chore because I don't know if it's just me, but my husband is not good at bathroom etiquette. I swear I have to keep an eye on his bathroom because it will get out of control. There'll be clothes everywhere. It's a mess. So yeah, we're just cleaning off all the surfaces and the mirrors and making sure everything looks clean. And then I start on mine. And while I'm doing this, he's actually cleaning the toilets, which I'm not going to do because the only thing we have to use to clean toilets right now is bleach, and I'm not supposed to be touching that apparently. So So I'm just cleaning my bathroom, and my bathroom can get messy too because I have bobby pins everywhere and fake eyelashes all on the floor. I mean, not all on the floor, but you guys know what I mean. And I have a lot of products everywhere. So yeah, I'm just cleaning this, and then we're going to take out all the trash in the house, and we're basically done. A few other things I like to do after I clean my house really fast is light my candles, because since I do have guests coming over, it always helps create a warm and inviting space. And if I have time, I'll also put out fresh flowers too. So that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, then please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!